This video is brought to you from one agency far north. 14 Campbell Road in the historic village of Totara North on the shores of Whangaroa Harbour. This 2-acre rural haven has everything you're looking for to create your dream home or holiday retreat. Elevated on a hilltop with easy access, this beautiful property offers privacy, serenity, panoramic rural views, and a distant view of the waters of Whangaroa Harbour. This property has no covenants, and you have a choice of building site options to build your perfect rural escape. A small shed and water tank are included, and the new owner has the opportunity to purchase the picnic table, solar panel, and caravan already on the site. This remarkable property, surrounded by bush, rolling green hills, and a view of the majestic Totara Rock in the distance, is truly a Totara North gem, and your gateway to adventure trails and nearby fishing and boating on the harbour, as it is just 2 minutes to the Totara North boat ramp and jetty. Shops and restaurants are just a short drive to Mangonui or Kaeo, and 30 minutes to Kerikeri in the Bay of Islands. To view, contact me, Leonie Matia, one agency, far north.